Hi guys! So I hope we already answered the D exercises on the previous page. So let's continue again with the next set of prepositions. Let's now start with the next four. Di, a, da, at in. Okay? So let's start with di, a, da, at in. And let's kick it up a notch. No? Let's start with what are the different prepositions of places. No? Denoting that the object is related to a place. Okay? Now, the noun that we are pertaining to is directed to a place. No? We have a at in for that. Okay? Start with prepositions of place. No? We use a. Okay, the preposition a, it means at, in, or to in English. A, we use it for cities, province, and cardinal directions. Ano yung mga cardinal directions natin? Yung north, east, west, south. Okay? So again, for cities, province, and cardinal directions, we use a. So it's like a smaller version. Okay? Carlo abita a Makati. Carlo abita a Makati. So Makati is a city. So we use a. Il sabato vado a Pampanga. Il sabato vado a Pampanga. Pampanga here is a province. Now we use a. Okay? So we have here our verbs abita for abitare. Diba? Remember them? Abitare. Vado is from the verb andare. Yan. O diba? Bulacan e al nord di Caloocan. Bulacan e al nord di Caloocan. So meron tayong al here. Al. So it is at the. At the. Bulacan is at the north of Caloocan. Okay? We use naman in for larger places. For larger places like continents, countries, or regions. Actually, we can also use in for generic places like biblioteca, library, libreria, or for bookstores, di ba? Piazza, city center, no? Bar, okay? Bar, okay? Let's look here. Ana lavora in Saudi Arabia. Ana lavora in Saudi Arabia. Ana works in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a country, kaya in ang ginamit natin. Palawan in Regione 4B. Palawan in Regione 4B. Palawan is in Region 4B. So, Regione 4B is a region, di ba? Il Malagasy vivono in Madagascar. I Malagasy vivono in Madagascar. The Malagasy lives in Madagascar. Okay, vivono came from the verb tama, vivere, to live. Okay? So Madagascar is a country, kaya in ang ginamit natin. Okay? Mangiamo in una pizzeria. Mangiamo in una pizzeria. Let's eat in a pizzeria. Pizzeria is a generic place, no? So ginamit natin in. Ayan. Gets ba? Gets nila yan. Okay, ulitin nyo na lang pag di nyo na-gets. For prepositions of time naman, guys, we still use the, a, at in. Okay, let's look at getting it larger and larger. No, we use a for smaller periods of time. Literally small, like clock time. Okay, clock time, clock time. Okay, we use a for clock time. Pwede rin siya for names of festivals. We can use a for names of festivals. Let's look at this. When we use a for clock time, we always use the combined, okay? The preposizioni combinati or combined prepositions. Yung table na nauna, yung alle, dalle, sul, sula, sui. So, kailangan laging contracted si al. Si a sa article. It's usually al, like this, apostrophe, or alle. Yan lang naman yung dalawang yan. Okay? L'aereo arriva alle 10:45. L'aereo arriva alle 10:45. The plane arrives at 10:45. Okay? A Natale vogliono andare in Giappone. A Natale voglio andare in Giappone. Okay? Natale. Natale is a name of festival. Again, what is Natale? Tama, Christmas. Okay, Christmas. So, Natale at Christmas. Okay? O, voglio andare. Remember this? Nag-lesson tayo nito. Voglio is from the modal verb volere. Tama. To want. Okay, andare to go. So, voglio andare, I want to go. A Natale voglio andare in Giappone. Okay? In naman, we use in for seasons, years, decades, and centuries. So, mas malaking period of time, a much larger period of time. In estate, fa sempre caldo. In estate, fa sempre caldo. Estate vuol dire summer. Summer is a season. So, we use in. Claudia è nata nel 1999. Claudia è nata nel 1999. Claudia was born in 1999. Okay? 1999 is a year, di ba? Kaya ginamit natin siya ng in. And in this case, we added an article. Nel, in the 1999. Okay? So kapag may number po, numbers, guys, remember that, numbers are always masculine. Okay? So they usually use il. Laging il ang ginagamit ng numbers. Masculine ang numbers, guys. Disco è popolare negli anni 80. Disco è popolare negli anni 80. Disco was popular in the 1980s, in the 80s, okay? In the 80s, okay? So anni here is masculine plural and it starts with a vowel. So ano yung masculine plural vowel na article? Li. So when we add li at in, it becomes nelli. Okay? Yun yung inda. Again, ito yung inda. In the year 1980s or in the year of 80s. Okay? Ayan. Okay? So ano naman yung in between? So kung yung a for small, in naman for large, what is the medium size? So what is the medium size? We use sometimes a or in for that. No, we use in for a or in for middle days, which is the months. Okay. So, sir, what is the difference? Sir, when do you use a, when do you use in? It's the same. Okay? Hindi kayo mamali kung ginamit nyo a or in. You will not be wrong if you use a or in for months because their basically the same. Devo dare 2 esami a settembre. Devo dare 2 esami a settembre. I must take 2 exams in September. Pwede mo sabihin na, devo dare 2 esami in settembre. Pwede. In febbraio non ci sono vacanze. In febbraio non ci sono vacanze. In February, there are no vacations. You can also say, a febbraio non ci sono vacanze. It's also correct. Okay, so for months, you use a or in. But for days, you will use di. Okay, there's no alternative for this. We use di for days. La clinica è chiusa di sabato. La clinica è chiusa di sabato. Okay? Di giovedì facciamo il Netflix and chill. Di giovedì facciamo il Netflix and chill. Sabato at giovedì are both days. No, ano rin yung mga days natin? Lunedì, martedì, tama, mercoledì, giovedì, venerdì, tama, sabato, e finalmente domenica. Perfect. Okay, perfecto. Okay? And finalmente, let's use da. Okay? Da. Da just means from. Okay? From. You can actually remember da as just from. Wala na siya ibang meaning. From. Okay? To show place of origin. Okay? To use place of origin. Meaning, where you came from. Where you came from. So, saan ka nang galing? That is, we use da for that. Okay? Paolo va dal dentista. Paolo va dal dentista. Paolo came from the dentist. Okay? Siamo appena tornati da Pisa. We just came from Pisa. So we use da if you want to show that the place is from. Okay? Iba kasi yung to. Okay? From, di ba pag ganun yung from, pabalik. To is paalis. We use to na paalis yung a. We use a for that. Pag paalis. Pag pabalik, from da. Okay? To show period of time, di ba? We also use show period of time. Vivo a Foggia da 16 anni. I lived in Foggia for 16 years. Abito in Italia da 2 mesi. I live in Italy for 2 months. So, if you want to say a period of time, a finished period of time, hindi yung continuous. Iba yung gagamitin natin for continuous. For fixed, finished period of time, we use da. Okay? Vivo a Foggia da 16 anni. I live in Foggia for 16 years. Tapos na yon, nakatira na siguro siya sa ibang lugar. He already lived in another place. Okay? Another one is to show agency. Ito, this is kind of a larger level Italian, but I just wanna say it na lang. Passive voice, no? Abito in un palazzo progettato da Juvara. I lived in a place designed by Juvara. So, para siyang passive voice, no? Questo libro viene scritto da uno scrittore famoso. This book was written by a famous author. So, passive voice. Masyadong isipin yan. Hindi ko ilalabas sa exam. But da means from. Okay. So, di na gets natin. Kung hindi na gets, you can just replay it again. But if you get it, pratikya please answer the questions below. Okay? And see you on the next part.